Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here, I'm a CAD engineer in a CAD NEST. So today I'm just going to discuss about a big topic here. Okay, let it be. Last class we have seen this one as in group by extrusion. Now, group by footprint. Now we can see this one. What is group by extrusion? So group by extrusion is nothing but is an extruding profile in the wall profile. So we are going to make any, you can create any type of shape in a group by extrusion here. So now let it be, I'll make some wall here. Height of the wall I'm going to take, I'm just make one small plan. Example, I'll make this one plan here. Now after that, if you want to create a roof for this one, what you can do here, you can take this one as in roof by extrusion. If I'll take this roof by extrusion, now you can see the work plane here. It is asking to select one work plane, pick up plane we have to click, and just pick one plane from here, whether you want, where you want it from, like north, south, east, west, like that. Now I'll click on the south side. If I'll click the south, now it will ask elevation to open north and south here. Now I'll open with the north side. Now if I'll keep open here, now it is asking that roof reference level and offset means that is the offset from level 2 to till that what height you wanted to create your roof. Now I'm just going to create 1500. If I'll give 1500, it will create one reference line from here to there. So now if you wanted to create here, now you can create by roof here. So which shape you wanted, you can create by this. It should not be make sure that you should not be in a closed loop, it should be in an open loop. After that you can finish here, then you can go to 3D and you can see this one. Now if you wanted to attach this roof to this wall, then select the walls here, select attached objects option and click on the roof. If I click on the roof, now automatically that walls will get attached to this roofs here. Now here you can keep in realistic form also. Now if you want to change the shape of this, again if you want, you can select and you can change in a 3D also. Make sure that if you're changing in a 3D, you can keep in elevation. Edit profile, you can click. Now I don't want this profile, now I'll delete this profile. Now you can create some other shape by using this one. Now after that I'll finish. Now see, it will get turned into that particular shape. So which shape you are going to create, in that particular shape it will get created. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.